Hello guys, good evening. There is Suhail Khalik Pinjari. Today date is 15th of March 2022. And today I am discuss on the topic, and this topic is a very interesting topic. Can money buy us? Can money give us happiness? So let's start. So so many times we hear so many people say if someone has money, he is so lucky and he is do anything he want whatever he wants. So this is a true thing. If someone has money and someone has money, then he do anything whatever he wants, but it didn't does not mean if someone has money he is also happy, because we see in our daily life so many rich people are unhappy in their life. So this statement is a false, totally false. Money can give us happiness. This statement is a totally false, because we see so many examples in our daily life and in our atmosphere. So many people are did not rich, but they survive their life very happily with his family, with his children, and so many things. So money can build, money can buy, with money can buy something which does us happy, but it does not. Money doesn't buy the happiness, and the very big difference between things which make us happy and happiness. So this is a so here is a very big difference in both two things. So if we see someone rich man, he has a lot of money, but after it he totally nervous and he totally unhappy a lot of time. If this statement is true, if money can give us money can money give us happiness, this statement is true. At that time the rich persons are doesn't unhappy at the any time, any cost. So this is a false statement, and we see and we see the happiness and the definition of the happiness. Happiness is our internal activity which does not created by own. It is created by automatically when means if my some wish are comes true, my some wishes are comes true, at that time the happiness is automatically produced in me. So happiness, so if someone have a money, he so many people are say, and we most of time we hear money can build a medicine, but money cannot buy a health. Money can build a things which is happy to us, but money can't buy. With the money we can't buy happiness. If someone has money and he is so rich and he is lot of money, and is a he is a helpful guy, and he is helping for others with the with the money which he has at that time. The real happiness, this is a real happiness when his money and his wealth is used for someone needy persons. So this is a real happiness. So in our daily life we see a lot of examples, and we see some beggar, or we see some middle class, and we see so many people who does not reach in their life, and but he is survived happily their life. So it does not mean only money can give us happiness. So this is a totally true, totally false statement. Okay, thank you.